welcome back to my channel. So today I have another fall makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoy it. This video is a pumpkin spice and everything nice kind of video. So don't forget to comment and subscribe, give this video a like, and let's go ahead and get started if you want to see how I got this look. So I already went ahead and did my foundation and powder and everything. I'm just going to go ahead and bronze up. I am using the Becca Cosmetics bronzer, and I am using a Jaclyn Hill from Morphe brush to contour and bronze up my face a little bit. So I do like to go a little bit more, apply more than I usually do, just because when I go ahead and blend everything out, I feel like I lose the intensity of the bronzer. So I like to go a little bit more, apply a little bit more than I usually do, just for that purpose. So it's not going to stay like that. I do not walk around like that, guys. Definitely, I do like to go back with a Morphe brush and just blend everything, just to make sure that everything is nice and seamless and it's blended. So you want to make sure you blend everything. Then from there, I'm going to go ahead and apply my blush. This one is from MAC Cosmetics, and I'm using an e.l.f. brush. I don't know, for some reason I've been liking this brush a lot to apply blush. So yeah. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply my highlighter. I'm using this one from Morphe. I'll leave the name on the bottom bar because I honestly wanted to try something different and I ended up with that one. So yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it with a Real Techniques brush. I believe that's what it is. And I'm just applying this. Like I said, I like to go a little extra. I do go back and blend everything out. I just want the highlight to stick a little bit, so I do apply more than I usually do, just so that it stays a little, so basically, so it just lasts a little longer on my face. So that's what I basically do. So I'm going to go ahead and start off the look using the 3503 palette from Morphe. A lot of you guys asked for me to do a few more looks using this palette, so I'm definitely going to do that because this palette just screams fall to me. So yeah, so I'm going to start off with that first shade, and that's going to go right onto my crease. I didn't fast forward this video because I wanted you guys to see how long it takes me to do my makeup and the steps, how I do everything. So yeah, basically the first color that I apply is the most important color to me. So I do like to take time to apply this color. I do a bunch of layers, honestly, because I feel like the first color that you put down is like the most important color that's going to help blend all the shadows together and make it look really nice. So you do want to take your time blending and applying the color. From there, I'm going to go with these two colors right here, mix those two, and I'm going to apply those right in the outer corner of the eye. So I am using Morphe brushes, you guys, so definitely use my code for any purchase, Pretty Grace for so many off online, or all Morphe stores except Ulta. Ulta definitely doesn't accept the code, so don't even try it because they don't accept the codes. I don't know. But yeah, any Morphe store definitely you can use Pretty Grace. Just let them know I want to use discount code Pretty Grace at the store, and they will scan my barcode on their folder, and then you're good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and use this stick from Makeup Forever as a concealer or carving my crease, whatever. So I kind of did do it messy on this side. I don't even know what was I thinking, but I mean, it still turned out the same. It's just that I could have been a little bit more cleaner on this side. I have no idea what I was thinking, to be honest with you. I kind of feel like I kind of blacked out or something. I don't know. But it's okay. You can always fix it anyway, so don't worry about it. So I'm just applying this and then blending it out. Then I'm going to be using two shadows, two different orange shadows to go on my lid. So I do spray a little bit of setting spray. The setting spray I'm using here is from Morphe, and there's another one that I use is a pink one. It is from Morphe. It's the Morphe and Jeffree collection. So yeah, so I'm gonna use this lighter orange first. That's gonna go in the inner corner, and I'm gonna go midway. So I'm gonna kind of follow whatever I used as the concealer, and I do use this wet, it just helps it to kind of where I want it, so it doesn't go all over the place. So yeah, then I'm going to go with a little bit more darker orange, and I'm going to apply that right in the outer corner of the eye. So it's going to give me like a transition contrast um, type of thing. So that's what I was basically going, because I did want to have like two different kind of oranges in my eye. So yeah. And then I just go back and retouch the um, brown darker shades, because I kind of wanted the darker to be in the outer corner. So that's what I'm doing. So you want to take your time doing this, definitely. And as well, you don't have to bring the eyeshadows this high up. Like I said, I really like my shadows to be really high up. So I do go a little higher than I usually do, just because when I do a cut crease, I want the shadows to pop, and you can see it when I open or close my eyes. So I do go a little higher than usual. For highlighter, I'm going to be using the MAC Cosmetics. I'm going to apply this right onto my brow bone. I don't know why I really like this one as a highlighter for the brow bone. I just feel like it puts the look together. So I use that. I'll leave all the information of all the products I use down below. I try to link them. So yeah. Here I'm using the new Bellamy eyelashes. And yeah, they're really nice. Actually, they're easy to apply. And I was like shocked. I was like, damn, they're really good. So yeah, I don't have a discount code for the lashes. I do have a discount code for extensions. Pretty Little Miss Grace for some money off. So I don't know, if they give me a discount code, I'll let you guys know. But so far, I like the lashes. So I'll keep you guys updated in my next video. I'll keep using them, see how many uses I can get out of these lashes. So yeah. So as you guys can see, they were so easy to apply. So I was like shocked. Alright, so I'm just going back and retouching anything that I feel that needs to be retouched. Once you apply lashes change the look, so you do want to go back and maybe, retouch anything that you think that needs to be retouched. So, yeah. So after that, I'm going to go ahead with this orange right here, and I'm going to apply this to the bottom lash line. I could have used a smaller brush, but I don't know. I wanted to use this one. So I'm applying this all over my bottom lash line. Then I go with a BH Cosmetics brush and apply the two brown shadows that I apply in the outer corner, just to darken the outer corner of the bottom lash line, just because I felt like it needed a little bit more something darker there. So I didn't go all the way, but I did go midway. Excuse me. And that's basically it. I'm just going to go ahead and apply my mascara. This is the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. I really like this mascara. I do have it in waterproof as well. So I think I prefer more in waterproof, because I don't get no stains on the bottom of my lashes, of my eye, yeah, my cheeks, whatever. So yeah. Alright. So yeah, basically that's it. And then for lips, I am using the new Morphe lip glosses that came in that other collection, 3503 palette collection. So I'm gonna use like this brownish, light brownish shade, just to give it like a monochromatic, I think that's what you call it, when you're using all the same colors almost. Yeah, that. So yeah, basically that's it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. If you guys can, please share this video. Let your mama, your brother, your sister-in-law know, and share this video in social medias. Thank you guys again for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, you guys. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.